Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete WhatsApp usage storage on Android. So if your WhatsApp storage has got up a lot of storage capacity and this has led your WhatsApp to be hanging, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete WhatsApp usage storage, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Then once you open the WhatsApp application, click on the three dots at the top right, then select settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on storage and data. Under storage and data, you should see your WhatsApp storage. You can see I have about 2.7 GB storage. Now to delete my WhatsApp storage on Android, all I need to do is first, you should see review and delete items. So these are files that are forwarded so many times and files larger than 5 MB. Then click on the files larger than 5 MB, select all at the top right, click on the trash icon at the top right again, and then click on delete once you see delete items. Then hang on, you see deleting items, then you can just say I have 1.5 GB storage freed. Then again, hit the back button, then locate and click on forwarded many times. So just delete all of this. Then again, just say cleared. You can see I have about 1.2 GB storage used out of 50 gig. Then you can still come down here, select user whose storage file you want to delete. Mark you, this user's file will be deleted without deleting them on your phone. So once this has saved on your phone, you can just go ahead, select all, click on delete at top right, then delete. Then you should say deleting items. Once these items are deleted, you want to repeat this on all other files you have on your storage. So once you click on delete, it's going to delete all the files and then you're good to go. You can now come back again, refresh the page and see which other file storage you can delete. And that's it. So that is basically how to delete WhatsApp storage usage on Android. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.